malayo sa beach. Sa malayo. Ayan. Guys, napakapino, para siyang asukal, sobra siyang pino na buhangin dito sa Panama. Dito banda ay marami na rin tao na dito, marami na rin tao doon banda. At dito naman yung daan kong nanggaling ka sa kalsada, kung nanggaling ka doon sa parking lot. So, ito yung daan niya doon. At ito naman dito yung kabilang side. Papalapit tayo. Kailangan natin lumapit doon. So, yan yung lifeguard. Tower, mga nagtuto dito. Kasama natin yung mga lifeguard, mga tumitingin. Doon lang muna siya. So, bali, ang buhangin dito ay napakapino, walang bato. So, mamaya na ako maligo, kaya dito lang muna ako maglakad-lakad. Pwede magbasa kasi mainit. Mamaya na baka masunog naman tayo. So dito guys ang fishing pier doon. Yan ang fishing pier doon. Kung umakyat ka, pwede tayo mag-fishing doon. So ngayon nandito tayo sa baba. At ito nga, sa banda ko ay mga taong naliligo na bawal mag-fishing. From the beach, this is here the entrance going to go fishing. We need to pay our entrance here, like for me is $3, and also our parking. And we can pay our parking later. A little bit of long distance walking going to the end of this fishing pier. So I can see this guy here. He's catching the small fish, and I think he's going to use that for a live bait, so he can catch a king mackerel or the bonita. So it's still hot, but we're trying to go fishing late at night. So it's over far. There is my spot, and I will try to. So I will just going to prepare my line. This is my rod. I have two rod, but this time I will just use this long rod because it's too early. And I think so some people here are fishing already, but this is my hooks for the hardtail, and the size of my hook that I'm trying to use today is number 16. We have number 16, we have different kind of hooks also. So you can see the fisher, the people here is having the umbrella. It's still too hot, guys. So I think so we need to wait until the sun come down a little bit. And my husband is fixing his rod, trying to put his sabiki or sibiki hooks. I have my long line of sabiki hooks, about 5 hooks in one line. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks. The one with the glitters, green color. And about the lead is number 2. 2 ounces. Yeah, the 2 ounces, yeah, right. 2 ounces lead. So yes, I'm definitely trying to put my line in the ocean. So I put my line in the ocean and just reel and jig a little bit, and I feel that's, yeah, just reel and jig, and you can feel it, something is biting already down there. And if not, just reel it and throw again until that some fish.
Reel it with a jerking motion. Jerking, J-U-R-K-I-N. Jerking.
So reel and jerking.
Reel with a jerking motion.
Okay.
When casting out, let it sink a little bit, and then you're going to reel it in with a jerking motion. You know, if you feel a bite, hold up for a minute, and then you can give it because more will get on it, and then you give it a jerking motion again, and you can mostly catch 4 or 5 coming up.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope we can catch a lot of fish for this.
The hooks you can buy on Amazon, but your best bet if you're going to Florida, just to buy them at Walmart. They cost like $1.95 or something like that at Walmart. They're a lot cheaper at Walmart. I mean, yeah, a lot cheaper at Walmart down in Florida, but I haven't seen them in Walmart here. But I'm sure they do have them at Bass Pro. But I would just buy them at Walmart when you get down to Florida, if that's where you're gonna fish.
Okay. So the Best Buy is in Walmart, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So
And I don't know the size, but
well, you cannot fix the sizes.
huh?
You can able to, sometimes if you have the small one,
Yeah.
it's better to catch the big one, and then if you put the bigger one, some
Yeah.
people using the smaller one and they catch more.
Yep.
So it's little windy now. I need to have a jacket. It's too cold. For me, it was too cold already. But I don't really feel that bad because right now I already start catching this hardtail. So some people here also around me, they are catching. They probably have 2 and 3 or 4 uh, hardtail in one time. So this time now, I think it's already 7 o'clock. PM is
That's a good one.
yes sir. I will seriously going to go fishing,
Right.
guys. So see you guys on my next fishing day. Oh, where are you? Okay.
All right, you at 15.
Okay.